Hi, I'm Nick. In this Treehouse quick tip, we're going to get started with HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, which is the basic language of websites. There might be several languages that you've heard of, like CSS, JavaScript, and more, and those are part of making websites too. However, the only language that is required is HTML. So when you're first learning, you'll want to focus your attention there. Here we have a very basic looking HTML website. There hasn't been any sort of fancy styling or images applied. Let's see how this code looks. We're going to switch over to a program called a text editor, and let's take a look at some of our HTML code. HTML is called a markup language because it marks up our content. In this example, we have several tags that are describing to the browser what's actually here. We have headline elements like this H1 here and this H2, which are just like headlines in a newspaper. Then there are paragraph elements represented by these P tags here and here. It's actually pretty simple. If a block of text is a paragraph, then you should wrap it in a paragraph element. In addition, we have the overall structure of the document, which is represented by the HTML, head, and body tags. The body is where all the visible parts of your document will go. The head is where you can include things like the title of your website or other files such as JavaScript and CSS. There are lots of other HTML elements, and these are just a few. When you type in the address of your favorite website, there are 3 basic layers that get delivered to you: structural, presentational, and behavioral. HTML forms the structure of a website, CSS is presentational, and JavaScript is behavioral. In other words, HTML is how you write your content, CSS makes it look pretty visually, and JavaScript makes it interactive. While CSS and JavaScript aren't always necessary, you will always need HTML.
If you'd like to see more advanced videos and tutorials like this one, go to teamtreehouse.com and start learning for free.